archangel. The rank of archangel is held by only one angel in the biblical record. So this angel is the most prominent of all the holy angels. The name of the archangel is Michael. This name poses a question. Who is like God? The three great missions of Angel Michael. Archangel's first mission, defending the body of Moses. Michael is probably the most well-known angelic being mentioned in the Bible. We know Michael is an archangel. However, what does that specific role entail for him? What has he accomplished? What are his responsibilities? And how does he fit into the heavenly host that God has assembled? God has chosen to withhold a lot of information from us regarding the events leading up to Moses' passing. God gave him a glimpse of the promised land, even though it was impossible for him to set foot there. Moses gazed toward the promised land while perched on the peak of Nebo, which is part of a mountain range known as Pisgah. This peak is located in what is now the modern nation of Jordan. Moses was not allowed into the promised land because he had disobeyed God. Jude 9 describes an occasion when Michael the archangel was at odds with the devil over the body of Moses. It would appear that there was a dispute regarding the body of Moses, and Jude indicates that Michael the archangel triumphed in this conflict by appealing to the authority of the Lord, saying, "The Lord rebuke you," in response to the other party. But it is not entirely clear why Michael fought Satan over the body of Moses in the first place. Some people believe that the devil intended to use the body of the Prince of Persia. The Prince of Persia is only mentioned in Daniel 10, a highly apocalyptic and therefore at least partially symbolic section of the book of Daniel. The Prince of Persia is most likely a reference to a wicked spiritual being who ruled over Persia in ancient times. The prophet Daniel had obtained a troubling vision concerning a great war. He went into a 3-week period of mourning, fasting, and prayer. God sent a heavenly messenger to explain the vision in response to Daniel's prayer. Daniel chapter 10, verses 10 through 14. Then behold, a hand touched me and shook me on my hands and knees. And he said to me, "Daniel, you who are treasured, understand the words that I am about to tell you, and stand at your place, for I have now been sent to you." And when he had spoken this word to me, I stood up trembling. Then he said to me, "Do not be afraid, Daniel, for from the first day that you set your heart on understanding this, and on humbling yourself before your God, your words were heard, and I have come in response to your words. But the prince of the kingdom of Persia was standing in my way for 21 days. Then behold, Michael, one of the chief princes, came to help me, for I have been left there with the kings of Persia. Now I have come to explain to you what will happen to your people in the latter days, because the vision pertains to the days still future." Here we are given discernment into